Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest with Citizens Bank, full guide step by step clearly. To invest with Citizens Bank, start by visiting their official website. Navigate to the investments section to explore the options available. Review the types of investment accounts they offer, such as individual retirement accounts and brokerage accounts. Select the account type that aligns with your investment goals. Click on the Open Account button to initiate the application process. Fill out the online application form with your personal information. This will typically include your name, address, social security number, and employment details. Next, provide your financial information, including your income, net worth, and investment experience. After completing the application, review all the entered information for accuracy. Then, submit the application for processing. Once your application is approved, you will receive confirmation via email or through your online account. Next, fund your new investment account. You can do this through bank transfers, wire transfers, or by mailing a check. After your account is funded, log into your Citizens Bank account to access the investment platform. Explore the available investment options, such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and ETFs. Use the research tools provided by Citizens Bank to perform due diligence on potential investments. Consider consulting with a financial advisor if you're uncertain about your investment choices. Once you've decided on your investments, place your buy orders through the platform. Confirm all transaction details, including quantity and price, before finalizing your orders. After completing your transactions, monitor your investments regularly. Keep track of market trends, economic news, and your portfolio's performance. Consider setting up alerts within your account for significant changes in your investments. Review your investment strategy periodically to ensure it aligns with your financial goals. With Citizens Bank, you have access to resources that can help you make informed decisions along the way. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.